Well, we're starting off our morning with a protein-packed breakfast. Women's nutrition and body transformation coach Sara Frenza joins us with more. And you've made a couple of dishes here. One we're going to make, but one, okay, let's start off with the tiramisu.
Yes.
That's really, really good for you.
Yes, so actually this tiramisu, it's a protein-packed tiramisu. It has 50 grams of protein in each serving, and I've made it with this protein pancake mix. It's got Flourish pancake mix, which has protein in it. But in addition to that, we've got Greek yogurt, a little bit of protein powder, cream cheese, and it's a great way to start your morning with 50 grams of protein per serving. You can't get better than that.
Wow, that's a huge amount of protein, because most really good sources of protein are, say, like 25 grams or something like that, right? In whole foods.
That's right, that's right. So we're combining the protein between the Greek yogurt, the protein powder, and also the Flourish pancake mix, so that we can get 50 grams of protein per one serving there.
Okay, and we've got a special deal on recipes. We'll tell you about that at the end of this segment here.
Yes.
But what are we going to make right now?
This morning we're going to make strawberry cheesecake overnight oats, and this will give you 35 grams of protein to start your day. We're going to be using Greek yogurt and protein powder as our protein source to help us get to that 35 grams of protein.
Okay, why don't we start making it then?
Let's start making that. So we're going to add the oats first, and we're going to, I like
all
making,
of them in here?
all of them in here. I'll help you out over here a little bit. I like making, sorry. There we go. We probably need a bigger spout here, but there we go.
There we go.
Then we're putting that
clean
in
up
there.
Afterwards.
Yeah, exactly. Then we want to, I like making them in the mason jars because you could put them in here and shake it up afterwards. So we're going to put the Greek yogurt in there. Then we're going to add some protein powder.
Wow, we're making a mess. Let's make a
It's all
great big
good.
mess.
There we go.
Okay.
It's all good.
There we go.
It's all good. I'll add the protein powder afterwards. So yeah, this is a really great way, protein powder, I think we talked about this earlier. It's a great way to boost up your protein throughout the day.
Because why do we need protein? And women especially.
Yes, okay, so protein is the building blocks to building lean muscle mass. And so as we age, we're actually losing lean muscle mass. We start losing lean muscle mass at the age of 30, and collectively between the ages of 30 to 80, we lose 30 to 50% of our lean muscle mass. So in order for us to preserve lean muscle mass, we want to be having at least protein throughout our diet. How much protein we need is about 1 gram of protein per 1 pound of body weight, or ideal body weight. So if you're a lady that's about 140 pounds, you want to be consuming about 140 grams of protein per day.
All right, what if I just added in here? What was that?
That was cream cheese, so we can get that cream cheese flavor. Now we're going to add some strawberries in there as well too. Yeah, we'll add some strawberries. And then we're gonna add, I like to add stevia, so we've got vanilla flavored stevia here to add some sweetness to there. Then we're gonna add some almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. We're gonna put the lid on and we're gonna shake it, and your breakfast is done, and that's okay.
The counter is getting a lot.
It's all good. And while this is the final one.
This is gonna be fun.
Oh, there we go. Okay, we got that all in there, yeah. So then what we're gonna do is we're just going to add the lid, and we're gonna shake this up. And we're gonna leave it overnight. And we could do multiple jars. You know, we can do 4 or 5 of these, and your breakfast
prep them on a Sunday, and all your breakfasts are.
Exactly, meal prep Sunday. I love that you said that. So we get our breakfast all done for the entire week, and this is how it looks like when it comes out.
Okay. And you said we've run out of time, but we want to get that special recipe offer.
Yes, so go to sarafrenzafitness.com and go to recipe book, put in the code CHCH, and you will get a free copy of my protein packed recipe book, which will give you tons of ideas on how you can get more protein into your diet.
Okay, and we'll have that link coming up a little bit later on our website, chch.com. Sara, thanks very much.
Thank you for having me.
We'll clean up now.
Yes.